Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to create a subtask in JIRA. JIRA is a software tool used for project management, issue tracking and bug fixing. Subtasks are smaller tasks that are part of a bigger project. Let's say you're planning your vacation and you need to create subtasks to organize everything. There are two easy ways to create a subtask in JIRA. The first way is to log into your JIRA account and select the story where you want to create a subtask. Then click on the Create Subtask button directly below the story headline. A new line will show up and you can fill in the headline for the subtask. After that, click the Create button and your subtask will be added to the project. Repeat these steps to create as many subtasks as you need for your vacation planning. The second way to create a subtask is by doing it directly from the story as well. To do this, go to the story and scroll down to the subtask section. Click on the plus button, a new line will show up and you can fill in the headline for the subtask. For example, you might create a subtask for booking flights or reserving a hotel room. Follow the same steps as before to create as many subtasks as you wish. With this feature, you can easily create and manage subtasks in JIRA from within the issue. This makes it easier to organize and manage your projects and tasks, even when they are part of a larger project. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you liked that video, please give it a thumbs up and follow our channel @Tech with Just Jingle Tingle.